I'm about to do that, buddy. I'm about to do that. Don't say anything. Don't. I know what just happened. Don't say anything. Okay, add stream thing. Anyways.
Welcome, guys. How's everyone's day?
All right. Hold on. Why is oh, right, Twitch is tweaked. There we go. Okay. Okay. Let's go. Okay. Hold on, guys. Sign in. Because I sign in by Azure. Okay. People sign in again. Okay. Add me or go online, and then I'll add you. Thank you.
You want to add me?
You can do whatever you want. It doesn't matter. Okay. Actually, I've finished reading through your changes in the refactor branch. See all the feats here? It means that means that this commit was a feature.
What do you mean? Oh, there's like two. There's
1,
like,
2,
there's
3,
one.
4, 5,
Okay.
6, 7.
5? 7?
6, 7? 6, 7?
Just 5, really? Are you serious?
6, 7?
Okay, but compare that to the amount of refactors.
That's crazy.
Yeah. That's the amount of refactors, though.
Okay, bro. Okay, bro. All right. Okay, hold on. Let me look. Okay, builder pattern, document, doc, derive, fix formatting, move message logic and enums to their own files and engine. Torrent. Oh yeah. I saw that. Custom PID support, customizable P strategy system. Okay, I need to look at the diffs on this. Because I'm guessing I'm to fix what you did, as I always do,
This is very backwards, but sure. We can go with that. Keep up good looks for your chat,
Yep, pretty much. Alright, let me look. Okay, pub. P storage strategy, and then it just goes into there, and then yeah, you do that, and then that is stored in there, and yeah, that's
He understands it now.
oh my god. Hold on, let me actually read what you wrote. Our reference directly from the downloaded files are written to it into a separate cache directory. Why would we do? Wait, hold on. Let me read. References. Why do you have a variant section? Why not just put that documentation directly on the variant?
If you ran cargo doc and looked at it, you would understand why.
Right, but you can just.
Yeah, I know. I did that at first, and I ran cargo doc, and I looked at the docs actually generated, and I like that one better.
Oh my god. Okay.
And I think that's something that other people do all the time too.
Okay.
I think that's a common thing.
I'll just ignore that. Nah, I'm joking. Reference piece directly from the files that torrent describes. No extra storage is used. Piece data is read directly from the final output files. Visual strategy is efficient. Okay. Storage piece in a separate file in the specified cache directory. Running for each piece. So we're gonna download each piece as. I mean. I guess as long as we're just providing the option for people to do that, it's kind of.
Yeah, so they can pick and choose whatever they want.
Yeah, I guess that's fine.
It would be in files since that's what most people would want anyway.
Okay. Hop on Zed.
Good. I'm on. Hold on. Oh wait. Oh, why is it not?
You're lying. You're lying.
You're lying.
Come on, man.
So really, just stealing all my sound effects.
That's kind of what I do, dude. Kind of what I do.
I know this.
Okay. Set piece storage does that. This is process before continuing. Okay. That should be fine. P storage. And just handle that like that. Okay, so we haven't actually done anything in the way of
Yeah, so this PR is not going to actually implement the logic itself. It's just going to
Yeah.
create like the blueprints for it, and this is focused specifically on the user-facing API for everything,
Okay.
not the actual functionality behind it.
All right, that seems wonderful. Great. Okay. Okay.
So
Wait.
the next thing we need to do for this PR is
Milestones.
the next thing we need to do for this PR is the piping. So this would be figuring out how file outputs work and how we'd like change between a stream and a file output. And then change our torrenting strategy from there.
Okay.
So.
Well, we could just. Okay.
So what I'm thinking is we have a enum, because this is like obviously a variant, and let's have a pipe strategy or something. And this would be mostly internal. So unlike the piece storage strategy, which is a public enum that users are supposed to use. Yeah, this is all public. They should be using this directly.
Okay.
The pipe strategy should not be public, I don't think. I think
it
would be handled via the syntax provided in the that screenshot I sent you from the milestone.
Yeah.
It shouldn't be handled directly by the user. It should be handled by us, basically.
Okay. Okay. Wait. Why wouldn't that be handled by the user? Because the user is going to decide what strategy they want to use.
No, they're going to decide. It's just they wouldn't use enum directly. They would
okay.
instead just use the function like with output underscore stream or with output folder instead.
Well, there's gonna have to be a user-facing enum at some point, isn't there?
Nope.
How are we gonna differentiate between a stream and a file path then?
Because that's what the enum is for. It's for us to Oscar. Okay.
So you're saying we should have an entirely separate function for both the file path and the enum, or not enum, but the stream.
Well, no. Here's what I'm talking about. Let me just write some pseudocode. You have an enum output strategy. Then we have folder path buff, and then we have a writer. Sure, whatever that does.
Okay. Yeah.
So then what we do is we have like impl whatever, and we have with stream or with output stream, and so just take so like that basically. So the user will never have to touch this enum directly. We would just assign it ourselves, and then with output, see, it would just be like this.
Okay.
So the user never has to directly touch the enum.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
On it that the user. That's what I was thinking. Is crazy.
No,
mine was nowhere near this.
I'm being so serious. That is what I was thinking. I just wasn't wording it correctly.
Okay.
I'm being so serious.
The output strategy.
So okay, yeah, that's fine. All right.
We need to figure this out before we can even start torrenting files. But once we have this done and the user can select the output, and we have like the output strategy, because first of all we need a place to put pieces and we need a place to like actually construct the files and stuff. So that's what we need before we do anything.
Okay.
So, and also, do we want to with the output stream, do we want to, or the output writer, do we want to write just the raw bytes of each piece we receive as we receive it, or do we want to have like a manager that will send send. Well, here's what I'm thinking, because if we do let people have their own output streams for the torrents, it would force us to fetch pieces sequentially in order, basically, because then they would receive out of order pieces, and that would cause weird artifacts that we don't want.
Yeah.
So that would force us to send every piece in order as we receive it.
Yeah.
And that would force us to request each piece in order. So, so if we do that, then I guess it wouldn't be a problem to. No, but then we also have file borders, so we need a way to differentiate between files.
I think. No, I mean, it should. Well, okay. If the end developer has their own output stream, then they should be in charge of handling the order of those pieces. No, because all we're doing at that point is just sending the pieces to them. We're not worrying about actually like doing anything. We are just sending the pieces.
But the end developer won't have access to all the information that the torrent the torrent instance has, like what piece goes to what file. They won't have access to the actual info dict to like map out the pieces to construct an actual file, because regardless of if they're using the output stream or not, they're going to need to assemble that file at some point. They're just doing something different separate with that, but they don't have the information that we have in the torrent instance, like the info dict, which is needed. You can't construct a file without the info dict.
Well, then we probably shouldn't be sending them the raw bytes then, if that's just going to cause problems for them if we're not going to give them the info dict.
That's what I'm saying. So that's why I was saying that we need a way to like manage the bytes that we send them, to like give it like a specific. What we could do is we could send like chunks, if that makes sense.
Yeah, kind of.
Or we can specify what file this piece belongs to, or what file. Also, yeah, we can just do like that. We can specify what file the piece belongs to and its offset.
Oh, that
and
seems...
in its index.
Yeah, we could do that. I mean, it's very possible to figure out what file that piece belongs to, just with the piece message itself. So why not just send the piece message?
The piece message is just in binary.
No, I mean like the pure message piece.
That's not its own struct though. We'd have to send the whole pure message.
Okay. I see what you're saying. Okay, yeah, okay, that seems fine then. Okay, so yeah, we want to send. Oh, this is a lot to wrap around my head.
We can send them a reader. Yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah.
We could send them. Can write to their.
Reader.
Write to their reader. And wait, do readers only take bytes? Wait, that's another thing I need to realize. Do readers only take bytes? If they only take bytes, that makes our lives a bit harder.
I mean, let's see. Yeah, I'm very sure they do, but that shouldn't be that big of a deal. Like, well, I mean, yeah, no, well, I don't know.
I mean, we could just use a channel instead, or a stream. Streams can take like actual data types.
Yeah, yeah, stream or channel would work best probably. I feel like a stream would be more appropriate here though.
Yeah, definitely, and we already have the dependencies for it, and we were supposed to remove them because we aren't using them anymore.
Yeah.
Because remember we moved off the stream protocol thing for that.
Yeah.
Trackers.
Okay.
So we aren't using streams currently anymore, so might as well take advantage of those dependencies that we do have now.
Yeah. Okay, I mean that seems fine. Okay, so here. Okay, to recap. So.
Oh, what's up, Zachy?
Sorry. Hey, Zachy. Okay, so to recap, we're going to. Oh, I have not gotten a chance to. Sorry, man. College has been real busy. Okay, so to recap, we're going to have two functions to decide if we're either going to use an just output to a file, or if we're going to use a stream instead. And with that stream, we're going to have a different, I guess that'd be a struct, not an enum, because that'll just be pieces and nothing else.
Yeah.
And okay, so we'll need a struct for that. We're not going to implement any of the logic for that. We're just going to have that stream exist.
Not gonna implement any logic. We're just getting the interface for it.
Okay. Switch to void Linux. I switched to void Linux because in traditional Arch fashion it broke. That's fair.
That's just how Arch works, unfortunately.
Yeah.
Unfortunately.
I have considered moving to void. It seems like even more minimal than Arch. Okay.
As long as you don't use Manjaro, you're good.
Yeah. Okay. So. Okay. So let's see. This will be an engine to start. Wait, no. This will be in torrent. Oh, yeah, torrent. Oh, that's the other thing.
So
that
remember,
I was gonna ask is
torrent mod. Oh yeah. Continue.
Yeah. No. So are we handling the each torrent actor by hand?
Yeah, the user will have access to the. Well, okay. So what's gonna happen is the user, the end dev, is gonna have access to the torrent struct. Remember, so I renamed the torrent actor to torrent actor, and then I created a new wrapper struct for it called torrent.
Yeah.
And the user-facing API is going to be the torrent struct, and then we internally will just message the actor.
Yeah.
Actor wrap, basically. Internally. So
Okay.
that's how we're gonna. So the width. So we'll specify those functions that we just talked about in the torrent struct, and not the
not the engine.
the actor.
Yeah.
Not the actor.
Okay.
Because we would do it through a message probably. We'd send it to the actual actor through a message probably.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Okay. I have all my packages from Arch and no systemd, but it's the best of both worlds. I don't know how I would live without systemd. Systemd is wonderful.
Honestly, I was like a systemd lover, but like recently it just doesn't work. Like it just doesn't work.
What do you mean?
I don't understand. No, because like I have like 3 different apps launched from systemd, and half of them just fail half the time. I don't understand why.
Huh? That's weird.
And I'm just not getting any logs or anything for it. Well, I get logs, but it just like breaks for no reason. I don't really understand why.
Yeah. It's odd.
Like I have my bar config like launch.
Yeah.
But like literally like 70% of the time it just doesn't launch, or it just launches on a random monitor for no reason.
Yeah, that sounds right.
Whatever.
Okay, so yeah, okay, wait, hold on. Yeah, because how is the user getting access to the torrent struct itself? Are we storing that in engine? And I'm just like blind.
No, it's being sent on the add_torrent function in the engine.
Oh yeah, I'm missing that. Okay, that makes sense.
So it's being returned, so that's where they get access to it.
Yeah. Okay, that sounds great. Okay, yeah, let's do that on the torrent function. Okay, cool. Sounds good. Go here. Okay.
And how do you feel about me splitting up the messages and the actor and the front end wrapper struct into different files?
Let me think. Wait. Okay. Go ahead. Say that again.
Well, because how do you feel about me splitting the messages? So this is the messages, definitions, and handlers, the actor itself, and the front end wrapper structs in their own files for both the engine and torrent.
Yeah, that's fine. But are you keeping you aren't keeping the message handling separate from the message definitions, right?
No, they're in the same file.
Okay, yeah. No, that seems fine. Okay, so you want to do? Oh my God, why is this? That's like literally just a copy. Okay. Let's send. Okay, so here. Without. Did that just? Huh?
Also, I need to write another documentation header for the torrent RS thing.
Okay.
You can see in engine mod RS, you see this little documentation header with examples and everything, the overview and everything.
Hold on, let me jump to you.
File.
Oh yeah. That yeah. Oh right.
For the torrent thing.
Yeah.
But I'll probably do that after stream, like at night or something before I go to sleep.
No, that's fine. Yeah, no, because it'll be a little bit mundane. Okay, so have the output. Is it? Oh, that enum doesn't even exist. Okay, I don't. Did ChatGPT get added to Zed or something?
What do you mean?
Like, because I have the like AI autocomplete now.
Oh, you can disable that. Go to your settings JSON file, and just type in disable underscore all AI features or something like that, and it should just turn off.
Okay, it was disable. Oh, disable AI. True. It should work. Question mark. That's a comma, not semicolon. Okay. Great. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So.
Easy. Unlike some editors.
Huh? Huh?
So it's pretty easy, unlike some editors.
Nah, that's crazy.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So what's first? What are you doing?
Hold on. I have to like remove a bunch of this crap because it's autocomplete. Path buff should be fine. So output strategy. Do we have like a separate? We don't need a separate file for that. That's fine. Struct. I should have enum. Output strategy. Folder. What is that? The path buff. Yeah. Path buff. Do you want that to be a path buff, or do you just want that to be a string?
To be what? Huh? What?
Path buff.
Oh, output folder. No. It's gonna be an into path buff, so that means that someone can just type in a string.
Oh, okay. Well, yeah, no, but in the enum, do you want it to be a path buff or a string?
A path buff.
Okay.
Just do more like that.
All right. Path buff, and then what's the other? Yeah, and we decided to use a stream, not a writer, right?
Yep.
Okay.
And then you need to put like stream.
We need to set another struct for each piece, don't we?
Yeah, probably.
Okay.
Or we can just use a couple because it's not that much data.
I mean, I get. Okay, yeah, I guess. So.
No. Actually, no. You're right.
Well, no, we could do that, or we could just do a type. Just do like type output piece is equal to. Okay, so what do we need? We need the file name and then the actual piece itself.
Yes. File name. Yes. This is exactly what we need.
Okay. Pure messages.
Oh, yeah. So we need
Oh, wait. Hold on.
Can't use pure messages.
Nope.
Here's what you have to do.
Yeah, no, I know. We're gonna have to do this a lot more like manually. Yeah. Okay. So.
Here's what I'm thinking. I think we do pub struct.
Yeah, I was gonna say like that's gonna be better.
Stream piece equals this.
Yeah.
String. Actually, this has the possibility of being a path buff because this could be relative, but we can worry about that later. It's fine. Then we have. So I'm thinking is. For now, we can do size.
Yeah, it should just be the same thing. It's in peer messages, right?
No, but we want to do here's impl. Right. Okay, wait. So no, it has to impl read.
That could just be bytes, can't it?
No, because you want to write to this dynamically. Pretty sure.
Huh?
Well, because what'll happen is we'll have to store the whole piece in memory before we can send the stream piece. Problem with that.
Oh, okay. I see what you're. Well, okay.
So impl
it's not really a way around that, is there? Yeah, I guess not. Okay.
No, there is. Oh, yeah. Here. The T read plus send. Yeah.
No, yeah, just import that. Stream. Jeez.
You gotta put the
What is it? Oh, it doesn't need like a thing. I forget what. Like.
type. I mean item.
Oh, right. Equals. Yeah.
It'd be like that.
Oh, maybe. Huh?
Type item. What? I'm very confused.
Stream. Rust. Hot stream.
Expected a type, found a trait. Oh, it needs to be impl. What it is.
Oh. Oh, shit.
Box 9.
Oh my god. Okay, there we go. Oh, this is generic. Yeah, that's. Should it just be? Oh god, yeah, that this is gonna be nasty to take care of.
Here.
Okay. All right, that seems fine.
Type magic.
Yeah, seriously. Okay. Okay, so we do that, and then this should not be a writer. This should be a stream. And it should be it should just be impl read. Hold on. Not impl read, right? Impl stream.
No.
Stream.
No. Set with output stream.
Hold on. What are you mad about? Oh, yeah, because you were returning self.
Well, because with output stream, I guess it would have to take in a function. I think.
I think. Well.
Because we need to return the output stream. Because like the stream is just something we can return instantly.
Yeah. Okay. That.
Because wait, yeah. So output strategy. So streamed piece, output strategy. Need to send. No. Wait. You got something wrong here. Oh wait, no, we don't. So. Okay, so we have like some logic that's a little bit backwards here, and I'm trying to like decipher in my brain why it's backwards.
Yeah, well,
I know this is backwards.
Yeah, no, well, yeah, because we're trying to return the output strategy enum.
Oh, actually, no, we're not gonna return it. We're supposed to send it to the actual actor.
All right.
We should actually just be returning self in this function.
Self? Oh, shit. Yep. Because we want to. Yep. Okay. Because this is basically our new function. So new and then.
No, it wouldn't be new.
No. I'm saying it's like our new function.
Yeah, you can just put self. And be like a reference to self.
Yeah.
I need this.
Hold on.
Okay, so why isn't folder working? Yeah, because you don't have the generic. Fuck, dude. Okay, yeah, this doesn't work the way we want it to because we're doing this wrong. Because this should be an FN. It should be like a because we can't. Because we need to like give them the stream somehow. So we could do that via like a function, or we could just return it. But this would break this.
Yeah.
Okay, so I guess we just return it here. I don't think we return self. I think we just return it.
Yeah.
Return the stream here.
Okay.
This one.
Yeah. Hold on. Okay. Hold on. How do you want the logic to flow with this? Do you want new to be called first?
Yeah, that's how this works.
So you new and then dot with output stream.
Yeah.
Okay, and is this going to be handled by the engine or by the end developer?
It's going to be handled by the end developer. The whole torrent struct is supposed to be handled by the end developer.
Okay.
When they want to manage specific settings So the engine is supposed to provide a bunch of defaults basically
Mm-hmm.
for is essentially just supposed to provide a bunch of defaults where you can like globally apply settings to every torrent instance, and then if you want something specific per torrent, like output streams or whatever per torrent, then you can do that with this.
Yeah. Okay.
So, yeah.
All right.
So what we need now is this to return this should be where we would do this right here. Push right.
Sorry.
So that's where we should have this. Actually, it should be here.
Where'd you go? Oh, you're right there.
And then this shouldn't actually take in anything.
Yeah, I should just wait.
So this actually shouldn't take in anything.
Okay, so where are we getting the stream from then?
I'm creating it.
But yeah, but like what part of this is creating it? Where are we creating it from?
We would create it inside the actor, I'm assuming.
Okay.
And then it's just we would like request it from the actor. We can probably do like a blocking thing for it.
Yeah.
So this isn't async.
All right. Let me see. So, yeah, that's so you get that should be self. So, okay, so we're gonna tell the torrent actor should be self dot actor dot tell. We need a handle message for this, don't we?
Yep, if you want me to handle that, I can.
No, I got inside the actual actor. It should be just a message, not a request and a response. Well, no, for because for the stream it should be a request and a response, but
Yeah, you need to respond with the stream.
yeah, but for the folder it doesn't need to be, does it?
Yeah, the folder does not need a response at all.
Yeah. What are you making? We are making a torrenting library in Rust.
It's a BitTorrent client in Rust, basically.
Yeah. Okay, so output folder. On. No, that should be fine, maybe. Hopefully. Okay. This should be.
And then we can probably provide like the same logic. We can have like the output folder. What we can do is have like a standard. Like I have a feeling we can do this without having dry code, and it can be like really pleasant to work with if we do this right.
Yeah. Fair enough. I'm trying to learn Rust myself. That's great. Rust is amazing. Everyone loves Rust.
You just learned it like 6 months ago now? 5 months ago?
Yeah. That's great.
Forced him to learn it.
He did.
Yeah, that's his favorite language.
Yeah. Output strategy. That should be a. Ooh, wait. Hold on.
That's crazy.
18. Oh, cool. Yeah, the output stream should be a box. It should be like the same thing that we had to do with what was the other thing? With the with output stream function, it should be a box.
Yeah.
Dine.
What it should return. Yeah.
Yeah, output dine stream item equals streamed piece. Let me actually import that. God damn it. There we go. Stream. Well, okay. That absolutely no language servers now. Okay. Thanks, man. Stream. Just let me.
It's because you're working in the macro. You don't get server doesn't work in the macro sometimes.
Oh, see, okay. I forgot about that. Thanks for reminding me. There we go. Stream. I say that. Here we go. Just I don't know what the import for this is.
Super.
Yeah.
It'd be in here.
Or crate.
It'd be right here.
Okay.
No, it'd be right there.
Okay.
in the same folder. Remember, super is in the same folder.
Yeah. And then here, output strategy should only be public to the crate, not the.
No, actually, should only be public to super actually.
Oh yeah, you're right. Yeah, 'cause that should be completely abstracted.
Yeah. Shouldn't need to be.
Yeah. Okay, so streamed piece, and then what else did we need? Do we need output strategy? I don't think we do. Oh, we just need to import stream too, which I forget where that is imported from. I think, oh, there we go. It's just use futures stream. Was there no like default like stream struct that we can implement? I guess it kind of makes sense, but just makes my life harder.
What do you mean?
Like, because right now we're just using the stream trait. Is there no like default stream struct?
Yeah, but that's not normally how you do things.
Okay.
Streams. You just normally just use there's a crate that we already have for it that makes it pretty easy to deal with.
Okay. Missing. Oh right. Oh, generics. Oh boy, it's not getting interesting. Okay. So type should be read plus send.
What are you doing? I have a feeling. Where are you? Okay.
There. No.
No, you have to provide it here. What here? So we actually would know the type.
Oh right.
Here.
Okay. Yeah. So this is.
We can just provide any struct that would. So this could actually just be like bytes mute probably.
Should. That should be a reader or sorry, not a reader. No. Yes. A reader though, right? But...
No, because we would also need to be able to write to it.
Hold on, are we just doing like a stream inside a stream?
Yes, we are.
Oh my god, I hate this language so much. Is there any reason that we can't just use a stream then?
We are. It's just the thing is, okay. So what's gonna happen is, so the reason why I want to do this is because what would happen is we receive a piece, right?
Mm.
And then this will immediately trigger. Basically, so the stream will immediately, the moment we start having a new piece,
Yeah,
it will immediately like send a new message, and then the stream will actually have the binary for it. So we'll immediately receive the new piece, and then we'll stream in the binary from that. Now the alternative is we just send the bytes here, but then the user will have to wait for our piece to complete, and we'll also have to store the whole thing in memory.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, but why aren't we just using a stream for that then, and instead of bytes mute, unless that's more effective for some reason?
Because there's no point in going through that complexity, because bytes mute already implements read and write.
Oh, seriously? Okay, hold on. Hold on. Let me see. Where does it implement that? Because that I don't. I'm not saying I don't believe you. I don't know why it would.
I'm pretty sure it does.
No. I'm very sure you're right. Hold on. It implements write. I don't see read though.
Well, I'm sure there's a way you can coerce it into a reader, because there is a bytes reader struct or trait somewhere. So I'm sure there's a way you can convert it into a reader pretty easily.
Okay.
But we just need it to be writable for us, so we can actually write to the stream as we receive stuff.
Yeah.
They need it to be readable.
Jeez, the audio.
It's saying it's actually not satisfied. Hold on, why is that? Why is
Trait
that?
Yeah, no. I said it doesn't implement read. It only implements write.
Okay.
Oh, I see. Yeah, is there just like a bytes like reader or writer struct like you said, or something like that?
Well, there's a bytes read, but there isn't a bytes read or write.
Okay. Oh wait, hold on. Like buffer is.
There has to be a way. There's no way there isn't a way where we can just read and write.
I don't know if you saw this already. But look at that. Hold on. If we're seeing the buff and buff mute overlap in functionality with standard IO read and standard IO write. For certain purposes. Okay, I just wanna see buff and buff mute.
So buff mute then?
I think. Let me actually look at the. Hold on. A trait your. Oh wait, no. That's a trait, not a struct.
Really? Are we serious?
Yeah. Hold on, what implements buff mute?
Well, it said bytes mute implemented buff mute. So I just read.
Hold on.
Yeah. Yeah. Wait, hold on. Bytes mute implements. I swear I just saw that it implemented it.
I don't see any
Yeah, it says
traits.
trait implementations. Oh, we just have to. I think we just have to import it. Wait. So I think if we do.
Oh, you're right. You're probably right. You're probably right.
Okay. Where is the import that I just did? Oh, buff mute bytes. So if I put bytes back here, it should just work. No. Now it will implement it.
Or bytes mute, I think.
Bytes mute. Yeah.
Yeah.
To import that again.
Maybe. Cross your fingers. Oh, damn it! Read is not satisfied.
How?
Did you import buff mute? Oh no,
Yeah,
you did.
Wait, because I can see. No. Because there's no way. Because I can see in examples if you import bytes mute and buff mute. Like if you just hover over bytes mute, you can see in the examples it says if you import both of them, you can use put u8 and put and all this stuff in there easily. That's like literally implementing right.
Yeah, but not read.
Oh wait, read. Yeah, you're right. It should implement read either way, no? But buff mute implements both read and write.
Where do you see? Wait, hold on. Am I blind? Yeah, where do you see that? Because I don't see.
Literally,
buff.
the link you just sent me.
No.
It says relation to read and write.
Am I going crazy? Hold on.
Overlap function. Like, in the link you just sent me, it's like the first thing it said. Read and write.
No, it doesn't say that it implements it. It says that it may seem that buff and buff mute overlap in functionality with read and write. However, they serve different purposes. A buffer is the value that is provided as an argument to read and write. Read and write may then perform a syscall, which has the potential of failing. So, a buffer is the value that is provided as an argument to read and write, so it doesn't implement them. Okay, wait.
Wait, I think I fixed it.
That's what you did.
Yeah, oh, wait, syntax error. Why am I getting syntax error? Hello?
Huh? What?
For what?
No, it should be 3 there, right?
Yeah, I think so.
You do that here. Hold on, you. That one. No, yeah. Same thing. Okay, why are you? Why?
Whoa, hold on.
Why are we not just using a stream again?
Let me cook.
He's not gonna cook. He's not gonna cook, chat.
Wait, how?
He's not cooking. He's not cooking.
Oh, wait, how? Wait, no, because buff should implement the reader, no?
It doesn't implement the reader.
No, it does. No, okay, wait.
Hold on,
okay, I see what it is.
Hold on.
Understand it now.
I severely doubt that.
Understand. Okay. So buff and buff mute are their own they aren't readers. They're like their own individual thing. They're like they don't implement the standard IO readers and writers. They're like their own thing, if that makes sense. Like they're like their own implementation of read and write, basically. So it doesn't implement the actual trait that we're looking for. So that's why this isn't working, because buff and buff mute are like replacements for read and write. Like they're not the implementation themselves. They're like a replacement. It's something completely separate.
Okay. Okay. Is there any way?
So alternative, we do this in different PR and we just put bytes. I'll turn it this way.
No, yeah, we could do that. Or just a stream.
Nah, we just
I don't know what you're planning on doing, but it's gonna be bad. It's gonna be crazy.
No faith is crazy.
I don't know,
No
man.
faith is crazy.
I don't know, man.
No.
I don't know.
And then we just put bytes.
Wait, where? Oh, you're right there. I'm stupid. Okay.
Bytes. That's simple. We remove the generic. We don't need that anymore.
Yay! Should I open an issue about that?
Later on, and well, you can if you want, but it'd be very low prior.
Yeah, I guess so. 'Cause, I mean, it'll still work. It'll just be a little bit inefficient.
Yeah.
All right. No more generic.
You need like
Yippee.
plus static. What you want? What do you want? Are you mad at me?
Oh God, what are you doing? Found unit type.
Oh, never mind.
Yeah,
Okay,
no,
it's
no,
because
no,
it's
it's
because of the
fine,
return. Because we're not returning it.
Let's see.
No, it's fine. It's because we weren't returning anything.
Yeah. Okay. I'm just gonna like delete that entirely.
Okay, we should be good now.
Yeah.
You should be able to do it.
Yeah. So with output folder, that should be. Oh wait, hold on. That's just because there's nothing there. Here a second. Oh, okay. Yeah. Oh wait, no. Yeah. I'm getting some errors in the macro. Hold on. Futures
Between
threads safely. The send where? Hold on. There should be no more generic though. What? Hold on.
We need to add plus send somewhere.
Yeah, but where is it? Just in the original.
It's here plus send.
Okay, maybe, and then I think that's. Hold on. Expected trait. Found struct. Streamed piece, not a trait. What? The item should be a struct, no? What?
Yeah, it is. It's because so this is an error here, but
We just need to derive send on streamed piece.
so what's happening is the reply. I think the derive reply here requires everything to implement send.
Mm-hmm.
So hold on. I think if I run like cargo clip, it'll just give me like what to paste in here.
Yeah. All right.
These
Yeah.
fucking names. Let's see.
Tell me about it.
Apply torrent response.
Alright, hold on. I'm gonna go to the bathroom. I'll be right back. Hold on. Let me put up Subway Surfers real quick. Subway Surfers. 2-hour compilation. Okay, wonderful. Gotta keep that viewer retention up, baby. Alright.
Force.
Give me a second. Let me just split the screen. Go to CalDraw. BRB. Smile. There we go. All right. BRB.
Okay. Hey, chat. Chatters. Getting this done. Okay.
Yeah, so unfortunately, due to your poor performance with entertaining chat, I'm gonna have to let you go. We are gonna be docking your pay.
What?
Okay.
Yeah,
sorry.
hold on. Sorry. Ample, we need to like.
I'm back. I'm back, chat. Don't worry. Don't worry.
Okay, so it's to send. We need to like implement send for streamed piece. That's what it is.
Yeah. Oh, I haven't been playing my background music the entire time. Oh, god damn it.
Okay.
I don't want to be that guy, but I did say that we had to implement send for stream piece.
I'm pretty sure
Why can't
you
I
have to.
implement send?
Pretty sure it's unsafe though to do it directly, but it should be fine. Like in the docs, it says that you have to do.
Oh no.
Oh, actually, can you just derive it?
Yeah, I was
you
gonna
just
say.
derive it?
Hold on, I import it. I don't know where to import from. Come on, my shit ain't working. Send Rust.
But I just don't think it has one. I think you have to like do it manually. You have to like.
You sure?
Yeah, add unsafe to this chain for implementation there.
Excuse me. Oh god.
Does that fix anything?
Wait, did you import send?
Implemented it.
Oh. Okay, I see what you're doing.
Okay. Yeah, implement send.
Okay.
Is not implemented for dine. Oh wait, okay, I think I know what I need to do. I need to go here, plus send. There we go. Okay.
Good
so
lord.
no, we don't have to do this.
Okay.
Okay.
Wait, are you sure?
Fix it.
Oh.
Yep.
Is it the box that?
Yeah,
Oh.
so the box just implement send there. Yeah.
Oh, that's weird. All right. Whatever, I guess. Here. Okay. So, this is request asks the torrent actor for the output stream. Hello, Ria.
Hello.
Output stream. I did have classes today. I have classes every day of the week, for better or for worse. It's a pretty light course load though. Like, actually, no. It is. I can get like almost everything done at college. I should never have to bring anything home.
Skill issue.
How is that? How is that skill issue?
Oh, it's a skill issue on my behalf. Getting 8 classes. Sorry. Anyways.
Oh my god. I'm joining clubs. I'm joining clubs. Calm down.
I don't think you're gonna do anything in them.
Yeah, no, that is fair. I'm hoping I can actually find people that like actually want to do something. It's like, dude, the second years I'm with, like in my comp sci class, we're like, yeah, I haven't programmed all summer, and like I gotta review conditionals. Like, I want to find people that actually want to like do shit, man. I'm really hoping that
Conditionals is crazy, bro.
nah.
You don't know what a Boolean is?
Nah, I well, okay, to be fair, in academics like that, like we do take a much more like fundamental approach to conditionals. Like it's very much like you are expected to memorize and be able to accurately recall like every part of a conditional, including the syntax, which is the main annoying part. So in their defense, but it's still. Yeah. Anyways, okay. So torrent actor for the output stream. Wait, hold on. That's torrent actor. to use an output stream instead of writing the pieces to disk. Great. Okay. What else did we... Oh, right, we gotta do that, and then did I implement that? Oh, right, output folder. That's fine, and that's not hard to implement. That's just torrent message output folder. Did I not? Oh, I'm being stupid. That should be a path buff, right? Yeah. It should be a path buff. That's what we decided on. Because to implement path buff, and then we just coerce it to a path buff.
Well, what we could do is just create like a output strategy instead, and just have it take in the enum.
I
Instead,
mean,
and have it optionally return this. We don't have to have two different branches because it's essentially doing the same thing.
where? What do you mean?
So instead of you see how we have the output tree here.
Yeah. And then the
You can
output.
set it to like output. You can rename this to output strategy. Make sense? Strategy.
I was
And
gonna
it would take the output strategy.
enum,
Yeah,
and then
enum.
and then have it return either a well, yeah, just have it
Does it-
return an output strategy.
No, it would just return an option of this. Because it could just not.
Oh,
Okay.
okay. I see. Okay, I see where you're going with that. That's smart. Okay. Yeah, so you don't need to do that. Okay, that seems fair. Do we have one too many? Recommended video is 3 paywalls to 10 times. Seriously? God damn. Dude, I swear I've tried to go through and disable like all of the like not okay, like YouTube has a lot of interesting in terms of ads. YouTube has a lot of interesting ads that you can choose to disable or enable on your channel. I tried to go through and like disable all of those. Apparently some of them either get through or yeah, which is interesting.
Well,
Yeah, seriously.
what do you do?
Yeah. I
You're
mean,
missing a bracket. Oh, shit.
yeah, no, you're good. I mean, me personally, oh, it's not even an ad. It's just a recommended video. Oh, yeah, that's wonderful. Really says a lot about the state of programming at the moment. Where's
Need that would be in super.
yeah, I got it. Yeah, the all the ads, like all of the stuff you can show on YouTube is like actually kind of insane. Let me
Don't leak.
I'm not.
He's gonna leak his revenue, guys.
What am I? It's not that good. Hold on, blocked.
He's gonna show you how much money he's made off you guys.
Yeah, not much. Yeah, like okay, so like some are like not that bad, but they're okay here. So, as far as I'm aware, these are ads that can be shown from like 13 years old and up. So social casino games, sensationalist, bunch of sexual stuff, get rich quick, gambling, drugs and supplements, alcohol. Okay, those are like the really interesting ones, which isn't really bad to be shown to adults. But how much of my audience is under 13? Or sorry, under 18. Let's see, audience. What? I know you are.
Got like a week left.
Yeah, you do. Yeah. Oh, casino ads. Yeah. No, I swear, like every other YouTube short I see like an ad for a gambling website tagged on it. It's like no, it's honestly insane. Oh, here we go. Age. Oh, actually, that's a lot smaller than I thought. Okay, I swear it used to be like 20%. It's only like 2.7% now, which is still a largish number, but yeah, that's
2%.
Yeah, for 13 to 17 years old. What?
And 10% can go a long way.
Nah, that's crazy. That's crazy, dude. The 3 times. Oh, okay, okay. I have seen these videos. Yeah, all the, yeah, 3 paywalls to next your revenue. Yeah, yeah. I've seen that style. Oh, that's insane.
Okay. Here.
Okay.
So now we have the front end for this. Then all we need to do now is manage those messages now and assign them to self.
Yeah.
So what we can do is we can have a default. So what we can have is we can have our own stream handler thing
Mm-hmm.
that will implement. What we can do is we can have our own stream piece handler thing that will like, handle the actual writing of the pieces to disk. And that's what, and basically what they would be doing is overriding ours. Make sense?
I think that does, yeah. But we're not going to implement that in this PR, are we? We're just using bytes for now.
We're not.
Okay.
Yeah, we're not.
All right, good. Strategy. Okay, match strategy. Output strategy folder. Output strategy stream. Oh, I could use tweaking. Okay, so this should not do anything in return, but this, what are the arguments gonna be in that? Oh, is it just, oh, stream.
We'll probably just assign the stream to self, I think. Well, actually, I don't really know how streams work in this situation. I think we might have to create a custom stream wrapper. Let me check Tokyo stream docs.
No, I think you're right. And for the folder, where do we already have a function to set the folder? Or
No, we don't.
Okay, so we have to make that too, right?
Yep, that should probably just be. Well, that should be handled by our thing. We can probably just add a to do for now.
Yeah, no, okay, but, that's fair because this is just meant to like outline all the stuff.
Yeah.
Wait, is there a strict difference between to do and unimplemented?
Unimplemented I believe is supposed to be to do is only for like when you're locally messing with stuff, and unimplemented is like you can use it like in actual apps,
Okay.
I guess.
All right.
So it's more. I don't know. I don't think I'm explaining it right, but unimplemented is like more professional, I guess.
Yeah.
You can like use it
Yeah.
for places, but
Yeah.
to do is for strictly like work in progress work.
Yeah. Oh, hey,
like,
that's
in the middle of
codes.
editing.
Wow.
So
I know that guy from Dev.2.
oh nice.
Okay. Okay, let's see. Okay, so unimplemented. We're not gonna worry about that for now.
Well, fun fact: you can actually just convert a message channel into a stream.
You go, what now?
You can convert a message channel into a stream.
Like a Tokio message channel?
Yeah, you can.
Can you send me that? I'm curious.
It's in adapters.
Wait. Hold on.
In the stream section, if you scroll down, there's like adapters. Functions that take stream and turn on stream, called stream adapters. As they form an adapter pattern, some common stream adapters may include map, take, and filter.
Tokio. Tokio. Wait. Future Tokyo stream rest. I've got a Discord server. Yeah, I do. It's
I'm talking about on the official Tokyo website, by the way, not the docs.
Oh, okay, that would make sense. And yeah, I do. Hold on, okay, where was it again?
It's the stream section in the
Streams.
Tokyo tutorial thing. You just scroll down.
Oh, adapters, yeah. Functions that take a stream and return another streamer are often called stream adapters, as their form of the adapter pattern. Common stream adapters include map, take, and filter. Let me see.
Well, actually, hold on. I'm pretty sure you can turn a message channel to stream.
Okay.
Stream Tokyo channels. Check, because if we can, that makes our life so much easier.
Yeah, because why would we want to go to a stream?
Because stream is just a more technically correct way to do this.
I guess so, yeah. But hold on, aren't we gonna? Hold on.
We could technically turn into a stream because that would make it somewhat less complicated with all the send and join stuff.
Yeah.
I'm so sure they can turn
Wait.
the
A channel into a stream?
yeah.
No, I'm very sure you can. But why? Wait. Where are we using channels in this actor that we would actually need to turn it
That's
into
the
a
thing,
stream?
What do you mean?
We're not using channels yet. Do you have a plan to use channels instead of just starting with a stream?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So what we would do is we would just convert the receiver of the channel into a stream and just use it like that.
Oh, okay. Um, you're gonna have to explain that to me when we actually do it, but that does kind of make sense.
Is it a trait that I'm looking streams? Because I'm 90% sure, just based on the way they're doing this, that adapters is a trait.
Mm-hmm.
So try stream.
No, it should be no, I think it's just in dot into stream.
Really?
Let me look on. They don't define the type of subscriber in the documentation.
This kind of thing would probably be in. Normally this type of stuff is in what's it called? Normally this type of stuff is in like a trait, like
Smash my leg. My bad. Hold on. We are working on a torrenting library in Rust.
We're making a Rust BitTorrent library. There is a struct on Interesting. What's up?
I sometimes go on mute to answer questions, so I don't disrupt your thought process. But I gotta stop doing that because I don't tell you that I'm going on mute. Then we both answer the same question. Yeah. Massive skill issue on my part.
I see the thing. It's called try stream ext. So that's the trait that implements the into stream function, I believe.
Yeah.
Yeah. Implements provided methods into stream. Okay. So that implements the methods, and then we just gotta look at the structs that use it. Okay. So then we have to go to Tokyo's MSPC.
MPSC.
MPSC, whatever. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And see if it implements. I'll just go to broadcast as the simplest. Broadcast. What's it called? It would be receiver.
Torrent request. Output strategy. Strategy. Let's just for semantics do this. Okay. That.
Receiver.
Strategy. That should be. Yeah, I should wait that. Do we want to for the with output folder, we should be blocking that, right? Because that's what?
Yeah, block. Yeah, do block and send because just block send.
Yeah. I guess I'll map an error, but it should just be kind of not really anything in case that goes wrong for some reason.
Well, if it goes wrong, we just want to panic there. So normally I would just like put a .expect because it's okay to do the .expect if it's okay to panic here, and this is like a user setting a setting, so we'd want to panic if something goes wrong.
Yeah, okay, I guess you're right.
.expect is fine, or .unwrap, but
yeah,
that's what I would do.
All right. .expect something.
Okay, so apparently you can't do this the way I'm thinking you can.
Yeah, okay, yeah. Can you describe to me like what you're actually thinking? Because I don't know why you want to go from a channel to a stream.
What does this do? Because that would be it's easier to write to a channel than it is to write to a stream, because the way that streams work, with my experience with the tracker things, can't the way the macro works, it wouldn't allow for like dynamic writes the same way a channel would. So I'm thinking that we might just use a channel, honestly.
Okay, well, hold on. Why does a stream... Hold on. I don't know enough about streams, to be frank, but why doesn't a stream just allow for just
Well,
writes
okay,
whenever we want?
okay, so it does, but okay, so how do I explain this? So there's a macro we're using basically, right? So stream isn't a struct, it's a trait.
Yeah.
Right? So everything we want to use a stream, we use the box dying stream or impulse stream.
Yeah. Let me just...
So
yeah.
to go around having to create our own struct that implements the stream trait, we use a macro from a crate called async stream that will allow us to basically
I see.
yeah,
Yes.
it allows us
Yes.
to loop over something and just send it as a stream.
Yeah.
Now,
my bad.
the problem is we can't just like dynamically send data to that thing. Well, we can.
But
It
it's
would be
a
sloppy
pain.
code, but it's
Yeah.
like yeah.
No. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, so it'd just be better to use message channel.
Okay, that's fine. But
And
is there any reason why we would turn that into a is there any reason why we turn that into a stream in the future though? Because start as a channel.
well, we can treat it like a stream anyway.
Yeah.
'Cause we're
Yeah.
just sending bytes and then yeah, we can treat it like a stream. It should be fine.
Yeah.
Well, actually no, because I think the difference is streams have ends. There's like an end to a stream, but there isn't an end to a channel.
Yeah. Okay. The other thing with that. So so the reason we'd be using a channel instead of oh well, actually no, sorry. This is just for like the main. No, I'm okay. I'm sorry. I'm confusing myself. I was gonna say, why are we using a channel for streamed piece? But I'm being stupid, and that's not how that works.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, that's fine. So.
So yeah, that's the difference, because the main appeal for the stream is a stream will have an ending, like there's a end to a stream
Yeah.
where you can specify where it closes. There is no specified closing for a message channel. Well, actually, I think there is. I think you can do like sender.close or something, no?
No, you can. In my initial crappy engine implementation, there is I forget what it is, but yeah, there is like a thing you can do where you close the channel and the other channel sees that you closed the channel. But I just
Okay, well,
forget.
there is then we can just use that.
All right, that should be fine then. Yeah, because we can just send that one at a time, and then that makes our lives a lot easier. Okay, that seems all right. So instead of doing all this dying stream stuff, we can just MPSC it.
Yeah, well, we want only to have one receiver for this.
Hold on, let me look, because we don't want a one shot. A one shot is a literal one shot. Hold on.
Yeah. We would want multiple senders, one receiver, I think.
Yeah, so MPSC.
Okay.
That is.
Well, actually, because the problem is that the bytes here, because since we're just using the raw bytes from the piece, so that means that bytes thing that we have is probably like could be like 8 megabytes of RAM that we're just holding like that. So I don't want it to be duplicated.
Yeah.
So that's why I don't want the receiver to be able to be duplicated, because then it would just have, for every duplicate of every receiver, we'd have like twice. Every receiver, we duplicate the amount of RAM, or a double amount of RAM that we're using.
Yeah, well, there is the watch channel. So it's the same thing as the broadcast, but no history is kept. I don't completely understand that, but from what I understand, that would, if you want multiple receivers for some reason, or multiple consumers, I think that would allow you to do that without having a bunch of backlog. In other words, a bunch of wasted RAM or memory.
Well, that's the thing. So, by history, do you know what it means by history?
Uh, See, no. I
Okay,
think it just
so
means
here's
it's not
how.
keeping a backlog, but
Yeah, so yeah, it's not keeping a backlog, but that isn't really the problem. So the backlog is just like we send a message and then the
yeah,
receiver is still processing the last message,
yeah,
so it
there's
has
a
to wait
queue.
basically.
Yeah, yeah.
So that means it doesn't keep the backlog. That's not the problem we're having though, or we're discussing. The
Mhm.
problem we're having is it's sent to two different receivers, and then that memory gets duplicated. So that means we're using that struct. We
Oh,
duplicate that struct. We're cloning it,
okay.
both of them.
Yeah, so
So
in that
that's the
case,
issue.
I mean, is there any reason why we need to, uh, is there any reason why we need to have multiple receivers? Because MPSC works for like 90% of stuff anyways, so.
Well, yeah, I don't see why. And if an end user really does need like multiple, like to split up the file, like have multiple series, they can probably do that themselves. I think. I
Yeah,
don't think it'd be that hard to just turn the receiver into their own receiver or something. Or I don't know.
yeah,
You could probably figure something out. It shouldn't be
yeah.
that hard.
Okay.
I think it's fine.
Uh, yeah, yeah, that's fine. So just MPSC everything.
Yep. PS
Wonderful.
receivers.
Love this. Love this for us. Um, but it should still be a streamed piece, right?
What do you mean? You mean
The message itself.
no? Well, no. Wait. Oh yeah. It'd still be a stream piece. Yeah.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Okay.
It'll contain actual metadata for the. And I am going to actually change that struct to be a little bit more clarifying. 'Cause this doesn't mean anything. I'm gonna change the struct. You go.
I was
I
gonna
got
say,
it.
yeah, no, you're fine. Hold on. I should import MPSC. Oh, that should not be. Oh, wait, yeah, no, you're changing that. Okay. MPSC. Let me just. There we go. Because I can't import there for some reason. Because Rust is being a pain. MPSC.
What was the
We do
index?
not. No, let's not have this be unbounded. That seems like a recipe for something exploding in my face. Nothing to worry about it. Do we still need to? I don't think we need to implement send on the same or no, because that should be.
No.
Yeah, because MPSC receivers should be. Actually, receivers aren't, but it should be. Yeah, no.
Just because
We're
I
fine,
should
we're
be able
chill.
to do this, I'm just going to implement derive debug and clone. Just
Wonderful.
because.
Yeah, that should be alright.
I
Although,
debug.
hold on, there's what it might be a wise idea to not implement clone, just since, well, here, how about we just don't implement clone so
You're right.
that way
Well,
we
the
don't
thing is-
accidentally do it down the line.
Well, the thing is, the end developer might, for their situation, think that it's okay to clone this for their specific situation. So, I guess we just don't use it, or we just make a note that we shouldn't use clone
Yeah.
directly,
Okay.
because we could be stopping someone else from doing something that they need to do because we don't implement clone. Because this is a struct that's going to be accessed by
Yeah.
the developer that's going to be using
Yeah.
this.
Wait, hold on. Does bytes implement? Yeah, no. Okay, no, you're right.
Yeah, it does.
No, yeah. No, you're
Or
right.
we could just use. You could make it an arc bytes that would probably fix that problem.
No. That's fine. No, I was just thinking, if we don't implement clone, then we're just forcing the end developer to unwrap, not unwrap, but take the bytes out of that struct and then clone the bytes from there. But that's kind of unnecessary, so I think you're right. We just keep the clone. So here, note, lib tortillas should not be cloning.
Well, we
this.
shouldn't specify this because this is going to be what you're writing right now is.
That
in
is
the
fair.
public.
Okay,
So
that
if
is
you
fair.
want to do that, you can.
It should just be a comment
can
somewhere.
Yeah.
Yeah. Will that be separate? So if I do like docs and then note Lib tortillas should never. Well, actually, I might need to do like this maybe. I don't know. That should work fine.
So we should never clone this.
Should
It's
never
just there because yeah.
clone. Oh wait, no, I'm being silly. I should put that up there. Okay, and then we have our separate docs.
Yeah.
And then yeah, I'm being a little bit weird. As usual. Okay, lib tortillas should never clone this struct. The clone derive. The clone derive exists only in case the end developer chooses to clone this.
Yeah, it's never for us.
Yeah,
That
never.
will plus 8 megabytes in RAM just all
Yeah.
over again. And
Yeah.
That's very slow and costly.
Yeah. Okay, that seems fine to me. Here, what are you?
Okay.
Wait.
So now we have no more errors, so we should be good.
Yeah, we still gotta document stuff
Oh, yeah.
though, and make sure our logic is
We
sound.
need to. Well, okay, output strategy now does not return anything. I mean, it does
Oh.
not have anything.
Nice.
Yeah, because it doesn't need anything. Yes, because it doesn't need this anymore.
No.
And then this output strategy defined here, stream is never used. Why are we not using stream? Oh, 'cause we never did this. Did we implement the thing in the?
Oh, my bad. Yeah, I'm being silly. Don't worry about it. Strategy equal.
Oh yeah. Wait, no, it's fine. It's fine.
No. Here, no. I should do this. Yeah, because I kind of forgot because we're not actually adding anything here. We're just doing this actor dot tell torrent request what Z file. I actually don't know.
I think I'm on. Let me check mine. Said icon.
It might be the
On cappuccino frappe.
That might be what I'm on too. Let me here. I'll check for you in a second. Strategy dot blocking send dot expect failed to send request for oh I made a big oopsie. That should be ask, not tell. That would have been very bad. I think here that should. What was that about? Huh?
It's because you're not returning.
Oh.
It sends.
No, yeah, no. There's that, and then no, but there's a whole. Hold on.
And then.
Am I fat fingering something?
No, here. This is what you need to do.
No, it's the formatting. I'm just not sure where.
Match res equals
Right.
match. Wait, no.
Oh.
B,
Oh. Okay. I see what you're doing.
output strategy.
Well, and res should be here because this shouldn't be anything. This should just be nothing, and then let res equals self dot actor dot. What is it?
Oh wait, what are you doing?
There's not because it's ask and then receive,
it
isn't it?
This work.
Wait, does ask return something? I thought it.
Yeah.
Hold on.
It's tell that tell doesn't return anything.
No.
Ask does.
No, but I thought there was a dot tell and then a dot like wait for response or whatever.
Oh, that's blocking send. So here, just go here where I'm at right here. Press the dot, press Control Space, and then look at all the functions. So all I did was read all of these. So you have blocking send, you have blocking NQ. You can read the example. Docs are good. Let's read the docs there.
Okay, hold on.
So this will do output strategy.
No, but hold on. Let me just look somewhere else because I'm confused. Actor. Look at this file. Should be a tell at least a few places here. Tell. Ask. Oh, right, ask. Ask is what I'm looking for. Oh, yeah, yeah, control space. Yeah, that's a new one for me, too.
You know
Yeah.
that?
No,
Yeah,
well,
for most editors, even Neovim, if you just press control space, it will just pop up the
is that new,
LSP
too?
thing.
Oh, I bound to, like,
Mine
Shift
is.
K.
Shift K, no. So Shift K will give you like LSP like inspections on an object, and then
Let's see.
control space will like give you it gives you like dot like it gives you introspection on the object that you're currently like typing on, basically. Like if you're doing like self dot something, then you just do control space and it'll give you like a list of everything you can use there.
Wait, hold on. I gotta check this. I swear.
I don't know if it's like specific to my Neovim config, but I know mine does that when I press control space.
No, you're probably not. Oh, fat finger. Oh yeah. Wait, hold on. Hold on. Oh, in insert mode. Hold on. Wait, we're just gonna press some buttons. Okay, I'm gonna. Now I'm like actually. Yeah, no. Oh yeah, no, you're right. Shift K only just gives definitions for,
Yeah.
the current function. Yeah, no, you're right.
Expected shook. Wait, why is this a box? It doesn't have to be a box anymore.
Well, I'm gonna act like that didn't happen because that was totally my fault.
Okay, and then so this doesn't need to be a stream. What are you doing, Oscar?
What? Huh?
Forgot to change the thing in the enum.
Oops. No comment, Your Honor.
Option MPSC.
Request for receiver.
What was it called again? What's the struct called? It is streamed.
Yeah.
There we go. But hello, can you hear me?
Yeah.
My whole computer just froze. I don't know what's happening. Make sure to save your files.
Oh
there's
no.
an-
Oh no.
Imploding. There's an incoming crash about to happen.
He's
Computer's
using
dead.
a very, not very. He's using the new window manager, so it's probably
Written Rust,
that.
by the way.
Yep. His whole config is written in Rust now. We know, buddy. We know.
Oh, safest language, by the way. Most stable language.
Safe. Is it still frozen by chance? No reason.
Yes. I'm gonna have to restart my computer. So, is everything saved? Is it working?
Yeah, hopefully it is.
Go to messages RS because I was editing that and save it.
No, I tried. No, I don't think I can save.
Oh.
No,
Really?
it should be fine. It should be fine. We should be chill. If it deletes
Okay.
everything, I will crash out. But
Imagine I just come back and my system's just wiped.
yeah, I will actually lose it. But whatever. Well, ball.
Okay.
Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead.
I'm gonna reboot.
Yep. Oh, and best codes. I'll answer for Seifu since he's gone. He does not have a dev 2, and he is very good at Rust. But he doesn't really, I don't know, he doesn't really do a lot of like blogging or like content creation or anything. However, he does feel very strongly about using a 3-space indent instead of a 2-space or 4-space. So he's been telling me for the last like 2 or 3, no, longer than that, like 5 months, that he's gonna write a blog post about how 3-space indents are the absolute best, or is the absolute best way to indent code. And he's gonna get like 1 million views for it. It's been 5 months. I'm very supportive of his dream to change the way we view indents, but he's just gotta realize that dream. But in all,
Wait, there's no way. Wait.
he was
I'm on my
listening
phone.
to that. He was listening to that. Oh no! Oh no! That's not good.
Wait, I don't have any. Wait, hold on. I can't. My bootloader isn't even working.
No way! No way!
Wait, my
No
system
way!
went.
Dude,
Wait,
dude.
I talked into
Oh,
existence.
oh my god.
Wait, hold on.
Ah.
Wait, are my files intact? Wait, hold on.
Oh my god, please.
Imagine this wiped everything we did.
I'm actually. Please. Please.
Imagine.
Story
Wait,
of
wait,
my
wait,
life,
wait.
dude. Story of my life. Please, please tell me it didn't. Please tell me it didn't. Okay, let me just.
I'm joking. I was joking. I was joking. I was trolling.
Were you? Were you?
Yes.
Are you?
Get back on Zed.
Oh,
W clip farm.
Oh, right. Clip. I forgot about the clip farming. Oh my god. Thank you for reminding me.
Gotta love clip farming.
I know.
W clip farm. Did I make your boots tremble? Got it.
No, there's no, dude, because that's happened before. I know it would.
Yeah, that happened like I think like a month ago. I think
Multiple
where I
times.
just, like was coding.
Yeah.
No. Where I was like coding and then my whole drive just like died.
Yeah. No, I know.
Like well, in the middle. But
Yeah.
I just had to reseat my drive and yeah.
Oh, Seifu, would you care to elaborate more on how strongly you feel about three-space indents?
Oh, three space indents is the superior way of programming. If you use 4 spaces, it's too long. You use 2 spaces, you can't see the hierarchical differences in your code. Just use 3 spaces. It's just better.
There you go.
And also you can vouch for like since he's been programming with 3 spaces, it's been better.
No,
You can
it actually has. Like, yeah, no, because like looking back on all of the stuff that I've written for like Django or in Django, like the 4-space indents is kind of annoying. Like especially on a laptop where my screen is smaller. Yeah. If I'm viewing 2 windows at once, that 4-space indent like quickly pushes stuff off the screen, which like sounds stupid. But like once you're in three indents or more, like it's kind of annoying.
Yeah, and then 2 indents, you just literally can't see like the indentation anymore.
Yeah.
You just can't see it. So
yeah, exactly what I thought. Yeah.
Yeah, but 3 indents is just like the best way to go.
Yep.
I wrote a blog post about it, but never published it, unfortunately.
Yeah, that's what I thought. Or no, oh yeah. I didn't even realize that you did write one at some point. I thought
No, I wrote the whole thing.
Why did you?
I just didn't post it.
Why? Okay. Seifu.
What's up? Look, man, it was gonna be like my debut blog post on my website, but then I started coding tortillas and stopped working on my website. So. It's okay. I'll have some more blog posts when I get back to work on that and rewriting my website for like the 3rd time. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Anyways.
By the way, he's also been saying that he's gonna rewrite his website for like
Bro.
5 months at least.
Bro, okay, look, in my defense, I've been working on other things.
Whoa.
Tortillas.
Whoa.
2-space indents.
That's crazy.
Switch. You're on the dark side right now. Switch.
It is. I understand why 2-space indents are necessary, especially for like JavaScript and like JSX, because that's just like, yeah, there's so many indents, and that's it's completely standard to be like indented like 5 indents, but
like 6 or 7 times.
Yeah, multiple times. So yeah. Okay, where were we?
It's just hard to look at. Okay, so yeah, so you do that. And then that just works.
Yeah.
Wait, we need the receiver. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
So this doesn't say what I did. It's fine. This doesn't need to be a block anymore. And then this.
This can be.
This doesn't need to be this anymore. This just needs to be this.
Wait, hold on. What are we doing here? What? We're matching res.
MPSC. Receiver.
Safe. Gotta just if let. You gotta if let everything. If let torrent response output
That
strategy.
doesn't work. Oscar. No, do it. No, do it. Do it and see what happens. Let's see
Okay,
what happens.
okay.
Just do it and see what happens.
Wait, hold on. I gotta use my brain here. I know that's hard for me sometimes. Wait.
Very.
It is. Hold on. Res should be a torrent response
that
alpha
should work, that
strategy
should work.
some receiver.
Just missing all you're missing is brackets.
Right. Okay. Let's see if I'm wrong. Okay.
Okay,
Was it? No.
Oh,
Yeah.
we got
That's
an
not
error.
about that. Yeah. We can just return for the inside, right? With return. God damn it.
Watch that. Now you see why that didn't work.
Okay, if else. Oh, I see what you're doing. Use four space and Rust. Maybe you'll try 3 spaces now. Yeah, no, it really is nice. Like,
Yeah.
aside from being funny about it, like it really is nice. Okay, no, I see your point now.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
That's why,
No comment, Your Honor. No comment. Let me just let me show that. Receiver. Receiver. I'm actually okay. We're having some brain problems here. This cargo FMT overwrite your spacing if you don't use. Yes, it should. I don't know that for a fact though.
yes, it does. Literally just change your rust fmt.toml file and just set tab spaces to 3, and then just run cargo fmt and it'll do it for you.
I was gonna say like I figured that should, yeah. Oh, okay, yeah. See, okay, that was just me being me. Lacking a little bit of brain power at this late in the night.
Sometimes happens.
No. Okay. Okay, what else we got? So here, this can be removed because we don't need this anymore. What errors do we have? As MPSC. Oh, MPSC just says imported because naturally. Hold on. Go up here, manually import MPSC because you can't import in the macro. For this is the epitome of first world problems, man. Can't import in the macro. Huh?
Should fix it.
No, it did.
Working error here.
It was expected struck receiver. It should be
Wait, isn't it an option?
Oh, that should be res. No, wait, what? Hold on.
No, hold on. This.
Oh, wait,
it's something. Hold on.
Did you?
Oh yes, because it's not an option. That's why. Hold on. That is why.
Oh. It's just.
There you go,
Oh,
that works.
Okay. So, right, because it probably got deleted when you had to restart.
Yeah.
I was gonna say like I swear we did that, but we did not.
Yep.
Okay. Output strategy. We don't use.
We don't need T here either. In this anymore.
Don't need. Oh. Right.
And then we don't need this anymore.
Don't need that anymore. Why is the folder path buff not red if it's used? Oh, it's just because. Yeah. I haven't actually implement anything. Yeah, I was gonna say just allow it could. Okay. So aside from docs, I'm happy with this.
Yep. Let me run cargo doc real quick just to check.
Yeah.
We have some errors. Okay.
Okay, naturally.
Actor RS.
Tracker? Huh? What file?
No, an actor RS.
Oh, actor RS. My bad.
Does that work? Cargo doc.
Player X. I don't have a Twitch account, so I'm just lurking. Yeah, man, totally fine. Yeah.
Does this work?
But thanks for watching, though. Much appreciated.
Okay, so then our only doc error right here is this, because I have app custom. When using a custom output.
Oh, okay. Here, I'll start
Custom
documenting this stuff.
piece receiver. Okay. Okay. So that is all of our docs are passing. We're good. Okay. So this, yeah, it's just you want to document a separate commit or do you want to commit this?
We should document this in this commit.
But this thing about it, the extra green on your profile.
Okay, no. Let me logically think about this, because okay, if we commit this, like this, and then we commit the docs. If someone comes along in the future and looks at that, is that gonna make sense to them, or is it just gonna make sense to just like?
Well, to scroll back. If they were to scroll back this far, it would see the docs. We would just say that this is the docs for the last commit or whatever.
Okay.
Or for what we just implemented, so they would see, like right next to it, the doc changes.
And to be fair, according to conventional commits, we are supposed to do docs separately, I think. So.
Yep.
I mean, it's just forcing our hand, man. What can I say? Only so much we can do. Only so much we can do.
That green a little bit lighter.
Yep.
Green a little bit lighter.
Yep. Okay. Here, let me here, because we gotta commit the doc fixes separately.
Yep, you can handle that. I am gonna be right back for give me like 3 minutes.
Okay. Okay. Well, he's leaving me do this by myself, which is, as he should know, a horrible idea, because I always do something that he doesn't agree with. He'll live though. Fix cargo doc errors. Fix cargo doc errors. Oh wait. Oh wait, hold on. Was that cargo docs plural? Hold on. Oh, it's plural. Ah, hold on. I gotta change that. Can I just? I don't know how to edit this instead. I can always just no. I can't go into my terminal because this is his system. So hold on, edit commit instead. Get one.
There's literally an undo button, Oscar. Press the undo, but here, I'll just do it for you.
I can do it.
There. Not here. Okay. I can't leave you alone for a second.
I told you. Docs plural, co-authored. Gotta leave for now. Bye, best codes. Thanks for stopping by. Commit. Okay, there. Okay, do we want to commit this separately? Let me look. I don't think we do, because this should be like kind of just one. Well, I guess we could do that separately. Maybe would that make more sense though? Or am I just wanting more commits? Because I do obviously want more commits naturally. Let me see. Would that make? Well, it would kind of make sense to define everything first and then. Yeah. So okay, here. So let's do like add handling for add structure and stuff for output basically. So we stage this and then. I guess here we can just do that when we commit it. So bytes, that should be staged in this, and then the path buff should be staged in this, so on. Hold on, chat. Okay, so then, oh yeah, and then this, I think that should be our only other diff. Oh, and then imports. So, stage that. Yeah, we're gonna need both of those at some point. So, and we don't need to stage that yet. Okay, so this will be this, and then this will just be feet added. Oh, oh, what am I doing? What am I doing? Okay, okay. Is that still fine? Yeah, yeah, still fine. Added structs for handling output strategy. And we'll do documentation next. Stage. Here, actually, yeah, no, we can just stage everything now. Beautiful. Feet added functions for handling functions and logic. Or actually, let's say I just added logic for handling output strategy. Not the best commit messages I've ever made, but we'll live. Strategy. I am spelling that right. Yes. Okay. Cool, dude. Okay. Ba-da-ba-da. Okay, so that should be all that committed. So now it's documentation time. Yay, my favorite time. So this should be stream piece.
I'm back. What I miss?
Nothing. I made the commits. Everything's in there.
Let me make sure they didn't do anything a bit slow.
Oh god. Cross my fingers. Cross my fingers. I got a code review from the boss.
Okay. We did beat added logic for output strategy.
Cross the fingers. Cross your fingers. Cross your fingers.
I guess, yes. Wait.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Doing good so far.
Okay. Yep, looks fine.
Ooh. Pass the code review, baby. Let's go.
Oh,
right.
Okay, no, it's only one commit. Hold on.
Oh, dude. You just look at the commit messages. Oh my god.
I'm not looking at. I'm looking at the actual stuff that you committed to make sure it's not stupid.
No, it's. I didn't add anything.
Oh my god, Oscar.
What?
Wait, no, wait, no. This is fine. Never mind. Okay,
Yeah, I didn't add anything. Everything you saw.
Oh no, I know. It's just your commit ordering. I'm making sure it's correct.
Oh no,
Yeah, this first.
no.
Wait a minute. This doesn't pass. This won't work.
What?
Okay, you did this wrong.
What do you mean?
I can't even trust you to do one thing, bro.
What do you mean?
It's fine.
What do you mean? What do you mean?
Okay. So your second commit breaks. Well, your second commit won't pass on its own. It won't compile on its own because you added 2 new enum variants.
I didn't use them
without adding. Yeah, without adding match statements for them. You know how you have to use.
Oh. Okay.
All the match arms. Yeah, so you didn't add that until the next commit.
Damn.
But it's fine.
Oh well.
Kind
of tough. Yeah, tough. Wait. Do we even have that in our contributing.md that every commit needs to function properly?
No, we do not. But we can advise it, I guess, and if it doesn't, we can force it to specify work in progress.
No.
The description or something. You can probably add that.
No. All right, here. Let's get this documentation done at a reasonable pace, please. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah, he needs to sleep, chat.
Yeah. Okay, stream piece is no, keep that. No, what why are you in that there? Huh?
Because this is the reason why it can't be cloned is because of this. That's why it can't be cloned.
Okay, that is fair.
Nothing else here really matters if it's cloned. So yeah.
Index of the piece. The offset of a wrapper around peer messages piece. Yes. That should be linked. Please don't yell at me. Peer messages piece. I should just be able to import. Uh-oh. Did my internet just die?
No, you can't do this because pure messages isn't public, and you can't link in documentation to non-public stuff.
Oh, is that a rule or is that
private,
just advised?
No, that's like a rule in Cargo Doc. You can't link to something that's private
Good to know.
because it just doesn't generate documentation. So if the struct itself is private and you link to something private, so it's like internal documentation, then it's fine. But if you have a public struct, so this is a public-facing struct, it's pointing to something that's private, it doesn't work.
Okay.
So the link just doesn't do anything.
Yeah.
So what you could do is you could point it to the BEP or like the specific BEP.
Yeah.
For it.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Let me see. Yeah.
Or
So.
Part of the BEP for it. Yeah.
Yeah. A piece that we have received from up here. BEP03 refers to, here, let me link that, BEP03, oh, fat fingered, BEP03 refers to, describes the piece message. One more field is added, that being the name. I'll rewrite this or reword this so it sounds better. This is so.
You do that. I am going to document the add functions.
Yeah.
Okay. What's
this is so. Here. This is so the end developer, probably you, can easily tell which file / folder this piece belongs in. Why aren't you auto-docking and wrapping my documentation? Okay, whatever. We'll do that in a second. Okay, output strategy. Output strategy should be the specific output, the specific method for getting a folder, for getting the pieces for a given torrent. Folder is set by default, right?
The folder will be set by default. It will default to the current directory.
Okay.
This is being executed from, but honestly, I feel like we shouldn't set the default as the library. I feel like that should be. I feel like it should be defaulted. I feel like it should be required.
Yeah. Well,
we can run it back. I think it'll be fine. I think we should note that this is required unless you have a output stream.
Okay. Or you mean the setting the folder?
Yeah, you're required to set the folder because we, as a library, shouldn't really dictate that. There shouldn't really be a default for that.
Okay.
That should be set by the person using the library.
Okay.
So I think that should not be a default.
Okay, that seems fine. That is gonna kind of overcomplicate things, though. Should we just go ahead and use the current directory?
Well, it's because libraries don't have a current directory, really.
No. Oh, you're right. Okay.
in the target directory, so we don't have a current
Yeah.
directory. It doesn't exist.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's the folder for the output of the torrenting process. This is strictly required. This is strictly required to be set before the torrenting process begins.
Unless wait, why are you documenting that there?
No, I'm going to point it to the with folder function, or whatever it is, with output folder.
This documentation feels like it should be on the with folder function because that's where it matters. Because this function, I mean, this struct won't even be referenced at all or called if the folder is set.
I guess. All right. Okay.
So yeah, this struct isn't relevant at all if they just set the folder. They're not gonna be using it because you can't have an output folder and stream at the same time.
Yeah. Okay. There. Yeah, that should be fine. Okay. That, and then let's see. Default. Let's see. Here, I'm gonna do what you did with the variance header. Then so variance. Hold on. Let me look where you did that. And can you like link me documentation where it's written like that?
Yep, sure.
Okay.
It's something that has an enum like this.
Let's see how that's written. Where did you? Oh, no, just found it. Never mind. This is.
Oh, IP adder would be or socket adder.
Okay.
Probably. Okay, no, it doesn't. IP adder. Because it's something I know I've seen before where they just like they have the more in-depth documentation just like as this of the enum as the whole and like when to each one.
Yeah.
Just because of the way the documentation looks. Because here's how it looks when like you have the description stuff. Here, let me send a screenshot. And,
yeah, that's fine.
Element. So that's how it looks when you actually generate the documentation. So you see in the variants like how the text is a lot smaller. Like it's a lot easier to scroll through.
Okay, I see what you mean. Okay, yeah, that seems fair. Okay, yeah, so okay, just to do that, let's just okay. Folder the specified output folder, and then self stream. That should be that, not that. Oh my god, fat finger. There we go. Tells the actor the torrent actor create torrent actor question mark. Beautiful. So the torrent actor just send all received pieces through a message channel instead of a send all received pieces through a message channel instead of a instead of directly writing them to disk. Beautiful. Yeah. Okay, then piece storage strategy. So we do that instead, and then yeah. Okay. So this would be yeah. Okay, I do see how that's being done. So maybe instead of that, we just do like ew. Fix that. There we go. Manual fixing. That's fine. So torrent actor. Through this, and then tells the stream. Tells the ask for a stream. Tells the torrent actor to actually not here. When specified, all pieces will. Oh, I just realized the key, not keyword. The variant name here needs to be changed from stream to receiver.
Well, we're using it like a stream. I think having it as a stream is fine because having it as a receiver is a little bit more confusing, even though it's technically as a receiver. But we're treating it like a stream. I feel like it's fine. The thing is, thing is named streamed piece, so I think it's fine.
Yeah, but that's kind of like
I don't think it will cause that much confusion.
All right, we'll see. When specified, all pieces will return. When specified, all pieces will return. Will return through. Will be sent through a receiver instead of be sent through a receiver. Be sent through a message channel. They can look if they want more.
Okay.
Output folder. A note for future. This option must be
returns.
Be set.
Yes. See. Receiver.
Function must be set. Lib tortillas will not function properly
Yield
if the output directory is not specified.
That yields stream piece on each iteration
with output folder for more. See with output folder for more. It should just be not self but super with output folder. No. How do I link to a function that's in the same file?
You can just put in brackets. Well, what do you mean? Let me see.
I'm trying to link. I'm trying to link to with output folder. Yeah, but it's not in the same. It's not in this enum. It's like in the same file.
What?
I mean.
Oscar, is it getting that late?
What do you mean?
Is it getting that late?
What do you mean? Torrent. Oh, yeah. Okay. Yeah, my bad.
No, so for reference from now on, let's try to when we're doing stuff like this,
okay.
try to put it in brackets.
All right.
Makes it a lot easier to read when we're looking at the docs.
All right.
Or easier to pick out. So yeah.
Okay.
Returns MPST sender. They become available. Responsibilities.
Pep3 describes the piece mess. I'm trying to do this. There we go. One more fields in the struct. One more field is added in the struct.
This mode.
Struct.
You are responsible for continuously polling the receiver to avoid back pressure.
Self.
Handling piece ordering. Because we're not going to send them in order now because we're giving them the actual piece index. So we're not going to send these. We're not going to worry about ordering. Right?
Yeah. This is
ordering.
So that the end developer can differentiate, can differentiate
Okay.
between pieces and separate files.
Not
So,
going to be
between pieces
in
and
order
separate
and-
files. Pieces and separate files or folders. Okay, we should never clone the struct. This clone derives. Yeah, that's great. That's great. That looks fine.
Notes.
Good lord.
Notes. Pieces using not going to be in order. Notes. You are required to use what's it called? Piece
Output folder.
storage.
Specify the output folder that torrent that the final that each piece will be written to. Each piece will be written to.
A handling
The entire file. Okay. Okay, that seems decent.
a example.
Oh, right, messages. That's the other file that we actually modified. Okay, so we got that. We got that.
A example.
Retractor to use output streams that running pieces. Yes.
No, okay.
Okay, this seems fine.
Run. Use lib tortillas. Prelude.
Or something with channel.
Hey,
I think
that.
file system. Streaming.
Then we go. Let engine equal engine. Also added an engine default, by the way. So
Oh, yeah,
engine
I saw
input
that.
default.
Okay.
And then we can do that's torrent equal engine. Add torrent. And then you can just give it HTTPS example dot file dot torrent. That works. And then
how does libtortillas specify its prelude?
it's in librs.
Is that just that's nice. Okay, cool.
Yeah, it just makes stuff like this easier, so you don't have to like manually import everything.
Yeah.
Prelude is just for standard imports, basically, that most people would need. That's in there. Okay.
I'm gonna steal all
See.
of that from you. Just put it here.
1, 2, 3.
Um,
3. Okay. At torrent without, and then I'll go 1, 2, 3. Dot. Where's the strategy thing?
I know.
Honestly, I want to rename this set piece storage strategy thing. Like set whatever, it's fine. Do this yank.
Yes.
Okay. Yank. Okay.
We should also document set piece storage at some point, but I gotta go. Like once we get these functions documented. So I can do that later if you want. But yeah. With output folder.
This. Where is the freaking piece? Then in torrent mod RS? Wait, where is that then? It's our piece storage thing. Is that an actor? Yeah, here it is. Yeah, disk. Okay, so that would just be here, disk. Path /2/output that into.
So are we
required?
Are we double setting the path to write to disk? Because in P storage strategy we specify a path with the disk variant, and in the folder variant of output strategy we specify the path.
What I was thinking is users of this library would have like a temp directory for their app basically, so what's happening is the P storage and the output files will be completely separate, like in completely separate folders. What I was thinking is the P storage on disk would be in like the system's temp directory versus the actual file output, which would be wherever the user might want.
Okay.
Like the user of the app. So let's say in libtortillas example, like I mean in tortillas, like in RTY that we're gonna build with this, the piece storage disk would be in like /temp/tortillas or whatever, and then the actual output of the files themselves would be in whatever folder the actual user of the tortillas. So this is not a developer. The actual user of tortillas wants it to go.
Okay.
Make sense?
Yes.
They're completely separate. They're not supposed to be in the same place.
Yes, just...
They can be if the user wants to, but they're not supposed to be in the same place.
Yeah, just make sure you document that, because that makes no sense unless you tell me that. Yeah. What?
I'm gonna crash out.
Crash out. How? Okay,
Crash out.
no, but if some other developer comes in, all they're gonna see...
Okay, I want you to go to P storage strategy and read. You see all this I wrote? Read.
God. Stores each piece as a separate file in the specified cache directory. Is required if you are using a custom output stream. Yes, but you should still document that in the set piece storage function, because otherwise look, just document it. Just document it.
What is the document? I don't get what you want me to say.
No, because it's not obvious. These things need to be obvious. Okay, so you're saying that the disk variant specifies hold on, let me read this again. Recipes is directly from the files that torrent describes, no extra storage used. It's read directly from the file output files. How torrent pieces are stored and accessed. Okay, yes, but just specify here.
I don't get what you want me to specify.
No, there's not even any documentation for the set piece storage function. No, because there's no, like, how I, as the end user, how would I know that this is different than with output folder? I don't, because I'm not gonna be...
I was going to document that too later.
Just document it. Just document it.
No, I know, bro.
It's fine.
But like what you were saying, like, wasn't making much sense.
Okay. I'm gonna crash out. I'm gonna turn and crash out.
It's getting late.
It is getting late. It is. But I still got more stuff to do, unfortunately. Sure. Yeah, very unfortunate. Okay. Here, you wanna... Okay. Is there anything else you want to document other than the set piece?
Yes, I'm not done. Well, hold on. Let me just make sure I'm okay. So example, no run with output stream required. Or if you want to use a custom output stream. Okay, and then let stream equals with output stream. Okay, and then you can do here. Oh, that works. Okay, just auto formats it for me. It's okay. Didn't know you did that. Okay.
Oh, it does
So
that.
while see, let me just make sure this is correct.
Yeah.
LLN. Okay, yeah, makes sense. Okay,
Okay.
that's good. Okay, did you document this similarly? Okay.
Yeah.
Specifies output for. Wait. Specifies the output for each why see. No, it's not each piece. It's each file. It doesn't write the. Well, no, it does write the pieces because but the user using this function doesn't need to know that.
Okay.
It's writing. It specifies the output folder for each file. That each file will be eventually written to.
Okay.
Go on. Yes, there. This is strictly required. Use it. Oh, oops, sorry. Did I do something?
File.
This function or self. This isn't needed, by the way, because this is the default. It would be default. It would,
Oh, is it default? Oh, okay.
Yeah. Needed. Okay. Self. What's this function called? With output stream. Okay. Strictly required. Okay. And does that link work? Yes, it does. Okay. So I think that is it with documentation for these two functions.
Okay.
We have examples. We have all this. Yada yada yada.
Yeah.
How long is this file? 150 lines. That's pretty good.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's not bad.
I think that's it.
Okay.
I will handle the rest off.
Yeah. You want cargo doc before we commit?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Check that.
Should be fine, but
Yep, we're good.
Okay. Docs. Added docs for. Should I just say, for torrent mod s? Or no. I need to be heard. Hold on. Added docs, and then, yeah, I can do a description with a new line in Zed, right?
Yeah. Pretty much, yeah.
Okay. Docs for streamed piece. Output strategy. With output folder. And functions with output folder and with output stream. Okay. Add and commit. Okay.
Looks good. Okay. Be good to end then.
Oh, I'm done. I'm free. Okay. Thanks for watching. I will actually have a stream schedule out by hopefully the end of this week. So maybe, hopefully, cross your fingers. Peace.